So this is a problem that I have faced, in fact I've been facing for quite a while, and it brought to my notice that some people are also facing the same thing. So I decided to make this short video in order to help anyone out there who is also going through this. Now this has to do with, when you try using some features in Power BI like the shapes and buttons and things like that, you keep getting this sign in option by Power BI. So an example could be this. Let's see if I want to. All right, so if I want to use this shape, you can see this pop-up where it's asking me to enter my email address. All right, and sometimes this could be very bad. It could make your work pretty messy, and especially for someone like me who makes YouTube videos, it sometimes makes my work very messy. So I had to go and then look for a way to sort this out. And so what I came across, or what I found, the solution to this problem is quite simple. Now, once you have this, and you can see it right here, that whatever you try to do, once you touch on anything, it's going to ask you to do that. All right. And so, how do you fix it? In order to fix this, all you need to do is, to go to your file, and then you can go to options and settings. Once you come to options and settings, you go to options. All right. And so once you click on options, you are going to get this pop-up. All right. And this pop-up is going to ask you a few things. So once you get this pop-up, just go to preview features. Okay, so I'm going to come to preview features, scroll down, look for the translated task flow, this particular one, okay, this particular translated task flow, and then uncheck it. All right, so once you uncheck it, click on OK, and it will ask you have disabled one of or whatever restarting Microsoft Power BI desktop. Okay, so what we are going to do is click on OK. All right, and it's going to take you right back here. And so now that you have this, you can see that it's still going to persist if you touch anything. Okay, so what you need to do is to simply just close Power BI. All right, don't save anything, just click Power BI, go back to Power BI. All right, and then restart Power BI. All right, so that is all you simply need to do. All right, just restart the Power BI app on your desktop. Okay, so let's give it a few minutes for you to restart. So it's loading data. So once that is done, go back to your blank. Okay, and then once that is going to come back, we are going to try again and see if that problem is still going to persist. All right, and so we are going to wait, and then voila, now it's come back. So we are going to go to insert in order to try again. So now let's go to shape, select this, and we can see that now that problem is no more happening. Okay, and so this is a short video on how to bypass or bypass or work with these items without having to necessarily sign into Google and then having it disrupt your work. Okay, and so yes, if this video was successful or if it provided value to you, be sure to hit the like and subscribe to this channel so that if there's anything regarding Power BI or any of the data analytics tools, if I upload them, of course you're going to be the first to be notified. All right, and yeah, so don't forget to do that, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. See ya.